Guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. So I in this video I will tell you about the top best applications for ringtone Android user and iOS user. So subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon, never miss an update, and like this video. So I will tell you about best applications for and ringtone applications for use Android user must. So subscribe and share this video with your friends, families, and other relatives. So subscribe and let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you best ringtone applications for Android user and iOS user. First of all, open these applications and Play Store and click on search box and search ZG applications. ZG ZG application is a for wallpaper ringtones for HD quality, available in HD quality wallpaper available in this application. So must use. If you are, I will open these applications, must and watch till end. So I will use I will tell you about first applications. I will tell and click on the three box and ringtone section, click on search ringtone section. So available here all trending is available, all trending sounds available for Hollywood, Lollywood, Tollywood available. So first my application click on, so I will this application, and second is this. So must use if you are Android user and set on ringtone best tip. So subscribe my YouTube channel and thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye.